Hey everyone, Sammy Thompson here. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest and greatest in tech, innovation, and the future of work. Today, I want to introduce you to something that's not just a trend, but a true game changer in the digital world. We're talking about your new digital workers, AI agents. These aren't just another software update or a fancy gadget. They're a whole new way of thinking about productivity, efficiency, and what it means to have a team in the 21st century. So, what exactly are AI agents? Today, we're diving deep into the world of these digital powerhouses. Imagine a team of tireless, ultra-smart assistants working alongside you, handling everything from scheduling meetings to analyzing massive data sets, and even making decisions based on real-time information. These AI agents are designed to work with you, for you, and sometimes even ahead of you, anticipating your needs and streamlining your workflow in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Now let's clear up a common misconception. These aren't the secret agents you see in movies. No tuxedos, no high-speed car chases, and definitely no gadgets hidden in watches. Instead, think of them as super smart computer programs built to learn, adapt, and get things done, all on their own. They don't need coffee breaks, they don't get tired, and they never call in sick. They're always on, always learning, and always ready to help you tackle your to-do list. But what makes these AI agents so special? It's their ability to learn and adapt. Unlike traditional software that follows strict rules, AI agents use advanced algorithms and machine learning to understand patterns, predict outcomes, and even improve themselves over time. Imagine having a digital employee who not only follows instructions, but also figures out better ways to do things, suggests improvements, and helps you stay ahead of the curve. That's the magic of AI agents. They're not just tools, they're partners in your success. Picture this. You're working late, the office is empty, but your digital worker is still going strong. It's sorting emails, scheduling meetings, crunching numbers, and even drafting reports, all while you focus on the big picture. These AI agents never sleep, never take a break, and can handle a wide variety of tasks, from the mundane to the mission critical. They're like having a team of experts at your fingertips, ready to jump in whenever you need them. That's the real power of AI agents. They're not just changing how we work, they're transforming the very nature of work itself. Teams are becoming more agile, businesses are scaling faster, and individuals are finding new ways to be productive and creative. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a small business owner, or part of a global corporation, AI agents are leveling the playing field and opening up opportunities that were once out of reach. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a tech genius to get involved. The AI revolution is for everyone. Whether you're just curious about what AI can do, or you're ready to build your own digital workforce, there's a place for you in this new era. The tools are more accessible than ever, and the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. You can be a part of this revolution, shaping the future of work, and redefining what's possible in your industry. In this essay, we're going to break down everything you need to know about AI agents. We'll start with the basics, what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Then we'll dive into the different types of AI agents, from simple chatbots to advanced autonomous systems that can manage entire projects. We'll also look at real-world examples of businesses and individuals who are already using AI agents to boost productivity, save time, and unlock new opportunities. But we won't stop there. We'll explore the nuts and bolts of how AI agents are built, the technologies that power them, and the skills you need to get started. Whether you want to use AI agents in your daily workflow or build your own AI agent business, we'll give you the insights, tips, and resources to make it happen. From understanding the basics of machine learning to designing your first digital worker, we've got you covered. So, get ready to unlock the full potential of AI. This isn't just about technology, it's about empowering yourself, your team, and your business to achieve more than ever before. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI agents. Let's dive in and see how you can be a part of this exciting journey. Stay tuned, because by the end of this essay, you'll have everything you need to start building your own digital workforce and take your productivity to the next level. AI agents come in all shapes and sizes, just like human workers. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept reserved for science fiction. Instead, it's become an integral part of our daily lives and workplaces, seamlessly blending into the background and helping us in ways we might not even notice. Just as every person in an office brings their own unique skills and personalities, AI agents are designed with different capabilities and specialties, tailored to meet a wide range of needs across industries and professions. Let's look at a few examples. First, chatbots. You've probably seen these on websites. These digital helpers have become almost ubiquitous, popping up in the corner of your screen whenever you visit an online store, a bank, or even a government website. They're often the first point of contact between a business and its customers, ready to answer questions at any hour of the day or night. Unlike traditional customer service, which might require waiting on hold or sending an email, chatbots provide instant responses, making the user experience smoother and more efficient. Over time, these chatbots have evolved from simple rule-based programs to more sophisticated conversational agents that can understand context, remember previous interactions, and even detect your mood based on your language. They answer simple questions and guide you through tasks. Think of them as your friendly customer service reps, always available and never needing a coffee break. Whether you're tracking a package, resetting a password, or looking for product recommendations, chatbots are there to help. And when they encounter a question they can't answer, they can smoothly transfer you to a human agent, ensuring you get the support you need without frustration. This partnership between AI and human workers is transforming the way companies interact with their customers, making service faster, more consistent, and more accessible. Then there are personal assistants. These agents are like having a personal secretary in your pocket. Think about the last time you asked your phone to remind you about a meeting, check the weather, or send a text message. Digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become household names, helping millions of people organize their lives with just a few spoken words. They can manage your calendar, set alarms, send emails, and even provide directions when you're on the go. As these assistants become more advanced, they're learning to anticipate your needs, offering suggestions before you even ask, and integrating with other apps and devices to create a truly connected experience. They can schedule appointments, set reminders, and even control your smart home devices. Imagine walking into your house and having the lights turn on automatically, your favorite music start playing, and the thermostat adjust to your preferred temperature, all triggered by a simple voice command. These AI-powered assistants are making our lives more convenient, freeing up time and mental energy so we can focus on what matters most. They're also becoming more personalized, learning your routines and preferences to offer tailored recommendations and proactive assistance. Next up, data analysts. These brainy agents crunch numbers and find hidden patterns in data. In the past, analyzing large amounts of information was a time-consuming and often overwhelming task, requiring teams of experts to sift through spreadsheets and reports. Today, AI-powered data analysts can process vast datasets in seconds, identifying trends, correlations, and outliers that might otherwise go unnoticed. They can generate detailed reports, visualize complex information, and even make predictions about future outcomes. This ability to turn raw data into actionable insights is revolutionizing industries from finance and healthcare to marketing and logistics. They help businesses make smarter decisions and predictions. By providing real-time analysis and forecasting, AI agents empower leaders to respond quickly to changing market conditions, optimize operations, and stay ahead of the competition. For example, a retailer might use AI to predict which products will be popular next season, while a hospital could use it to identify patients at risk of complications. The result is a more agile, data-driven approach to problem-solving that benefits organizations and their customers alike. These are just a few examples. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated agents capable of handling complex tasks. Imagine AI systems that can manage entire projects, coordinate teams, or even design new products from scratch. The future holds the promise of super assistants, AI agents that not only support us in our daily work, but also enhance our creativity, help us learn new skills, and solve problems we haven't even imagined yet. The journey from simple chatbots to super assistants is just beginning, and the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. Ready to build your own AI agent business? The first step is finding your niche. What problem can your AI agent solve? Think about everyday tasks that people find tedious or time-consuming. Can you automate them with an AI agent? Maybe you can create an agent that books flights and hotels at the best prices, or writes social media posts for busy entrepreneurs, or even help students with their homework. The possibilities are endless. The key is to identify a real need and build an AI agent that provides a valuable solution. Now that you have your idea, it's time to choose the right tools. This is a crucial step in your journey, because the tools you select will shape not only how you build your AI agent, but also how easily you can bring your vision to life. Think of it like setting out on a road trip. You want to make sure you have the right vehicle, a reliable map, and all the gear you'll need to reach your destination smoothly. The right tools can make the difference between a frustrating experience and a rewarding one. So let's take a closer look at what's available. Building an AI agent might sound intimidating, especially if you're new to the world of artificial intelligence or programming, but honestly, there's never been a better time to get started. Today, there are plenty of platforms and resources designed to make the process easier than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, you'll find tools that match your skill level and project needs. Many of these platforms offer step-by-step guides, helpful communities, and even templates to help you get up and running quickly. So don't let the technical side hold you back. There's a solution out there for everyone. Some popular options include Dialogflow, which is great for building conversational agents like chatbots. Dialogflow is developed by Google and is known for its intuitive interface and powerful natural language processing capabilities. With Dialogflow, you can design conversations, set up responses, and even integrate your chatbot with popular messaging platforms like Facebook, Messenger, Slack, and more. It's a fantastic choice if you want to create a chatbot that can understand and respond to users in a natural, human-like way. Plus, Dialogflow offers plenty of documentation and tutorials, making it accessible even if you're just starting out. There's also IBM Watson Assistant, offering powerful AI capabilities for more complex agents. Watson Assistant is a robust platform that allows you to build not just simple chatbots, but also sophisticated virtual assistants that can handle complex tasks, integrate with various data sources, and even learn from user interactions over time. IBM Watson is trusted by businesses around the world for its reliability and scalability. If your project requires advanced features like voice recognition, multi-language support, or integration with enterprise systems, Watson Assistant is definitely worth considering. The platform also provides a range of tools for testing, training, and deploying your AI agent, so you can be confident in its performance. And of course, Microsoft Bot Framework provides a comprehensive platform for building, testing, and deploying agents. The Microsoft Bot Framework is especially popular among developers who want flexibility and control over their projects. It supports a wide range of programming languages and can be integrated with Microsoft's Azure cloud services for added scalability and security. With the Bot Framework, you can create bots that work across multiple channels, including websites, apps, and messaging platforms. The framework also includes tools for debugging, analytics, and continuous deployment, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced developers alike. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and pre-built modules to simplify development. Many of them feature drag-and-drop tools, visual editors, and reusable components, so you can focus on designing your agent's personality and functionality rather than getting bogged down in complex code. This means you can prototype ideas quickly, test different approaches, and iterate on your design without needing to start from scratch each time. Plus, most platforms provide integration with popular services like email, calendars, and databases, allowing your AI agent to do even more for your users. You don't need to be a coding wizard to get started. Thanks to these modern tools, anyone with a good idea and a bit of curiosity can build an AI agent. Whether you're looking to automate customer support, create a virtual assistant, or just experiment with new technology, the resources are at your fingertips. Remember, the most important thing is to start. Choose a platform that feels comfortable, explore its features, and don't be afraid to ask for help from the community. With the right tools, your AI project is not just possible, it's within reach. So take that first step and see where your creativity can take you. Don't overcomplicate things when building your first AI agent. Start with a simple version that solves a specific problem. For example, if you're building a travel booking agent, focus on understanding user requests for flights and hotels, searching for the best deals based on user preferences, and providing clear and concise booking information. You can always add more features and complexity later. The important thing is to get your agent up and running so you can start getting feedback from users. Call to action, like and subscribe if you want to stay informed. Comment below, let us know what you think about AI agents. Turn on notifications, more videos coming soon.